Okay, so till then, what I'm doing now, I'm just changing the title. I'm just giving some suitable title. It doesn't like count of country. What is count of country? So go to general and just on the title and put your maybe country participated. So participated. You can come up with a lot of cards. This is something I am doing. So apart from this, you can do. It's not like mandatory. What I am doing, you have to do that same way. Just learn the concept, learn the process, and implement in your own way. That is why you are learning. That is something you wanted to learn as an analyst. Okay. And 15 and alignment, and I just don't want this count of country. It is nothing but category labels, so I'm just offing it, like just off it, and this is my first card. And the second card, maybe just create a card, use this card, and now sports played. So how much sports have played? So just count of sports, basically, nothing else. So 1 second. Here I am going to this. So again, look what happened. Now I have done count. So it's giving me 271.12 something. So which is nothing but wrong, right? Yeah, number of players participated till now. We can do that also. We'll do. So that's why I'm doing country like count distinct here, because I want uh, uh, unique values. So like 64 are the sports till now have played in Olympic. So again, what I'm going to do, go to visuals of the category, go to general, put down the titles. 1 second. You can even do same thing, like you can copy this and paste this, and you will get the same thing like the card. You can do same thing with a lot of other graphs as well. If you wanted to work with same visualization, you can do that. But now I'm going to work with the players, how many players have won, right? Won as in participated. So I'm just going to remove this country, and instead of that I'm putting name, and I am going to make it count, distance count. So these are the number of number of player have participated. Go to general, go to title, and player participation. Number of player participated till. Okay, so you can do a lot of other things other than this. So these are like a 3 card I'm using. And then now come towards our page number 5. That is we are going to going to create a nice dashboard. So before creating a dashboard, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some background. I'm going to use, the logo of Olympics. So go to this, you see the wallpaper here, click on the wallpaper, go to browse, and you see I have already, downloaded the Olympic logos, the PNG file of Olympics. I'm going to give that file also with you for you. So this is something it's looking now. And image fit, you can, fit it, or you can even fill it, you can do anything. So I'm just keeping it fill. And now I'm going to give some transparency, because it doesn't look nice with our visualization, right? So I'm going to give some transparency. So 95 is a perfect transparency for my dashboard. You can, make it less or make it more than 95, according to you. Again, it's totally up to your choice how to visualize, how to create your dashboards. Okay, so I am going to use what now? I'm going to use each and every dashboard in page number 5. How to use it? Now you just have to do nothing, but you just need to, uh, make it like the proper visuals should you need to place each and every visuals in such a way it will look nice and interactive. So I'll just give you one. I'll show you using one graph because I have already done this. So I don't want you to waste yours time and as well as mine time. So now listen, I don't want this background. I wanted to get rid of this background. So what should I go? What should I do? Go to this, uh, select this graph, go to visuals and go to general. And I think 1 second, let me just figure out a bit. Okay, so go to general, go to effects. You will see the background. You need to off the background. Now your graph became, transparent. So you can use this graph and put it anywhere, maybe the proper desired location. So yeah, keep another, copy it and simply go to this page and paste it. Okay, and now I'm doing same thing for both the dashboards. Okay, so just go to general, go to effects, just get rid of the background and put somewhere. And yeah, same thing for this also. Just remove the background and make it little huge, basically. No. And again, same thing for these things. So you just need to copy, paste, and fix the position. And now I'm going to show you guys, but to how to give the title of this dashboard. You see this text box is here. You can use this text box. Okay, and text box, I'm writing nothing, but I'm just writing something like maybe Olympic analysis or dashboard, or you can write report. Select all and increase the size up to you, how much size you want, maybe 24. Okay, that's what something. Mhm. And I want bold, and you can change the font. So I'm just using Arial as of now and make it center, keep it in center. And mhm. Your background is on. You can, I'll show you one more thing. Okay, while working with this, I'm sure if you gave some color to your background, okay, give some transparency. Now you see this visual border. If you click on this visual border and if you on it, you can, you see this rounded corner. If you click and if you walk with your round, like just increase the rounded corner, you'll get something like this. So you end up getting a box with round, basically. So this is something you can work with a lot of data. And now I just okay, change the color of this. So I'm just wanted to maybe the darker brown color will look nice. Yeah, and change the border also. So I don't want this border. I wanted to change the border. You can change the border using a lot of options are here. Okay, select your thing first and just change the border. You see, visual border, it shows black. I don't want it to black. I want yellow. So it changed to yellow. So this is something. This is how you are going to work. And now after after using all these visuals, just put it in and placed it properly, and you end up getting this. This is the desired dashboard. So you end up getting this. Just you need to place the position and make it look nice. That's it. That's all from my end. I hope you guys understand and learn a lot of things today.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we do some filter and all the data is getting changed, no,
Yeah,
how
yeah,
we
it's a
can?
interactive. It's a interactive. Is if I wanted to see maybe only female data, so I can click on female, and the whole each and every data changed. It is interactive. Okay, so basically dashboard are Power BI is completely interactive that way. The whole report. So I'm going to share the Aman Kumar. Can we get a recording? Can you show how to use today button? So whenever we click on it, all the visualization show current data. Okay. So if you select female, the whole and soul data changed according to that, and you just need to click on female again. Then it will you will get the current whatever the this thing. Okay. Now, I am going to give you one more thing, guys. So I am going to upload this recording, this three recording in your classroom. So make sure to join the classroom. I am going to again, if someone is pending, I'm going to post the link, basically paste the link in our WhatsApp group to make sure to join, and you will get this dashboard. You will get the data set. You will get the task. Okay, so this is a free, but this is not exactly free. I want you guys to implement. So why I'm giving my 2 hours. So in return, I want something from you guys. So in return, what I want you guys to implement whatever you have learned from today. You have to implement, use the data set, come up with your question, come up with the dashboard, create a fantastic dashboard as per your choice. Use choose some other schema or choose same scheme color scheme also, and tag me in your LinkedIn, tag Tech Arena. I am going to paste these two LinkedIn IDs as well, like these two Priyankas, that me, and especially tag Tech Arena. Basically, Tech Arena is like I'm working for Tech Arena, so paste it, tag it, and we are going to review your dashboard. If you complete the task, you will get a certification, and it's like a competition thing, right? And at the end, like maybe after 15 days or after 20 days, so those who have performed extremely well, maybe the first, second, or third rank, so we are going to uh, tag those person and give some prizes from us. Okay, so Aman Kumar, are you came from
Okay, ma'am.
WhatsApp, right? So I am going to paste the Tech Arena LinkedIn link also in your classroom. Just enjoy and keep learning. I hope everyone cleared with everything right now.